Oh hi, I didn't see you there. My name is Kenneth, I'm a friend of Jaspas Deck, and I have a move for you today. It's called Fling, also called Zippo, just call it whatever you want. And it looks like this. Alright, so Fling is a move that came about a couple of years ago. I'm a very one card kind of guy. The name Fling comes from Kevin Ho has a flirt move, I've got like Wink, Oliver has Prince Charming. I had a couple of names for it and then I decided, no, let's go with Fling because it's a one card move as well on top of the deck. It's a very fidgety kind of move. You can do it while you're watching TV, using your computer, sitting on the train, and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So welcome to the tutorial for Fling. First you want to start out in mechanics grip, and what you're going to do is going to elevate it into a position here with your thumb. So you can do this by making sure your index finger on the left hand is clipping onto the deck. If you have shorter fingers, it doesn't really matter as long as it's along the short side. You're going to want to move your thumb to the back of the deck here, so that's resting in this nice little U shape here. If your fingers are too short, you can't clip it this way. What you can do is just hold it there, doesn't really matter. So now this is the important part of the move. You're going to take your thumb, push it forward onto your middle finger, so just here, and then you're going to want to push your thumb over all the way. So you can see now this is the middle finger, thumb is a little bit behind it, and you're going to push down with the thumb. So push down onto the card with the thumb like this, and what happens is the thumb will move the card around the pivot of the middle finger. So once again it looks like that. Push it forward over, the thumb pushes down so that this rotates like that. So once it's rotated about 90 degrees, you're going to want to move your middle finger into this space here where there's like a angle opening up. So once you can do that under here, and you get a nice 90-degree angle with your middle finger in this crotch space of the cards. From here it's pretty easy. All you have to do is make your middle finger go upwards like this, and the card falls back down into the grip. So I'll do that again slowly. Thumb goes over, middle finger pivots the card, your middle finger goes into the crotch area, comes around and back there. And now you've got this nice gun grip that you can shoot your friends with. Pew, pew, pew. Alright, so some tips and tricks for Fling. You want to make sure that the rhythm is nice for Fling, so that it doesn't seem like this slow move like this. You want it to go 1 and 2 all the way around. So make sure that it goes outwards, and then this whole rotation works together as one thing, instead of pushing it like this and then putting your finger there. So just practice it a few times, you'll get that nice rhythm of it moving. You get this nice big circle as it goes around. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for Fling. So I hope you can continue to shoot your friends up after you do Fling. And if you can't, if you're like me, you just like cards in general, you can follow me over at Kafoosh on Twitter, on Instagram, and also on Facebook. You can just add me as a friend. That's about it.
Wow, thanks Kenneth for that awesome tutorial, and thank you guys for watching this video. As some of you guys may know, we take April Fools very seriously at the New Deck Order. So this year, we are releasing a new Jaspas deck. The new Jaspas deck is called Jaspas Deck Favorite Day Edition and will be available on the 1st of April. No, this is not an April Fool's joke, this is a real deck of playing cards. And since we're here talking, let me draw a shout out to the awesome Patreons: 301 Cardistry, Sebastian Gopoxiu, Joel Almeida, Troy Howell, Manaki Thibault, Andreas Gar, Kevin Ho, and all the other awesome patrons for supporting the New Deck Order, School of Cardistry, and myself. We couldn't be doing what we love without your support. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again in the next one. Bye bye.